set of senders designed and manufactured by RUPES to make your work easier, faster, and more convenient. This is what we're presenting in today's video. Hello, my name is Fabrizio. I am Training Manager in RUPES, and today I'm talking about these three new senders. There's here one random orbital sender with a backing plate of 125 mm or 5 inches. This one is an orbital sender with 80 per 130 millimeters, which is around 3 per 5 inches. And the third one is an orbital sender as well with the delta-shaped backing plate. Now, there's a lot of innovation, there's a state-of-the-art technology involved in these three machines. Let's start with the first element. As you can see from the side, we write Q-mag, because we have magnets. So in order to prevent the free rotation and make the movement orbital, we need something to stop the rotation. Usually it's used a rubber shroud, but rubber shroud has a couple of downsides. The first one is that it wears out with use, and the second one is that it absorbs energy. Using magnets to prevent the rotation, we have two great advantages. The first one is that they are eternal, they don't wear out with use, and the second one is that magnets don't absorb energy. So especially when we're dealing with the battery, like in this case, we can make the energy management more efficient, and so the battery lasts longer. Now, here we have the battery, so let's try to focus on the battery. It's an 18 volts, it's a 2.5 ampere per hour. We have on the back the LEDs indicating us how much energy is left, and also when we connect it to the charger, we see how much it takes and how much is left to get to 100% of charge. The battery has a constant, a very consistent output of energy. So for the this battery lasts about 35 to 40 minutes, and it takes 30 minutes to recharge. And for this 35 to 40 minutes of work, the battery gives you a constant quantity of energy. So it doesn't go down with use, it remains consistent throughout the whole 35 to 40 minutes, giving you a very good torque, very good feeling of power given by the tool, higher than most of the machines with the cable, traditional machines with the cable. So the battery is very good, but still these machines are in the technology iBrid. iBrid means that you can use them with the battery if you want to work like far away from a plug, but you can also use power supply. The power supply goes in the same place where the battery goes, and you can connect it to the plug and work continuously with never stopping. Anyway, in the kit there are two batteries, so one is working, the other one is charging, and since charging up takes less time than the time it takes to finish out the battery, you can also work always with the battery technology. So these are the two options: working with a cable or working wireless. There's one more element, of course, that we need to consider. These are senders, they make dust. How can we take out the dust from the place where we're working? We have two options. The first option is using a RUPES vacuum cleaner, and that's of course included the use of a hose, but we have introduced the element of a green filter. Green tech filter is a patented product designed by RUPES, and has some element of advantage. Of course, we create all the three machines, they are self-vacuum, so it means that there is a flow of air coming from the backing plate and going to the back of the machine where the filter goes. But this filter is also tested for working 8 hours with a minimum of efficiency of 99%. When it's full, we can simply unscrew it, throw the dust away into a bag, and then screw it again and start working. If we want to clean it, we can with a flow of air, with an air gun from the back, or also we can wash it because the filter is made of Teflon, so it's water resistant. So in this way, using the battery and the green tech filter, we don't have any hose, any cable, we're totally wireless. There's also in the category of the iBrid sanders and iBrid machines, there is also a polisher. It is the RUPES HLR75. It is a polisher, but it belongs to the same category because it works with the same battery and with the same power supply. This is not the topic of this video, but altogether they create a system that allows you to do the whole job from sanding to polishing with the same accessory. Thank you for watching the video. Ciao, ciao.